Hey art friends, today we're drawing a really funny summer hot dog. I hope you'll follow along with me and you have your art supplies all ready. We're using our pencils and erasers to first draw the main shape of our hot dog and also hot dog bun. And then we're going to use our markers to finish our drawing by adding details and even coloring our drawings. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first use our pencil to draw our hot dog shape. And then we're going to add all the details later with our markers. So let's start by drawing the hot dog. We're going to draw 2 lines straight down the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw my hot dog this thick. Then we're going to draw the top of the hot dog. We're going to draw an upside down letter U. You can go over this a couple times to get it just the way you want it before we move on to the next step. We're going to draw a letter U to complete our hot dog. And then if you have any extra lines, you can use the eraser to erase those so that we don't get confused later when we're going back over our pencil lines with our marker. Okay, now let's draw the bun. And we're going to draw it coming out from the side, coming down, and then curving back into the hot dog. And then let's draw that same shape and try to repeat so it matches on the other side. This one came out a little further. Oh, maybe I'll make this one come out to match. Yeah, and then let's erase those extra lines. So pause the video if you really want to take some extra time and work on your hot dog to get it just the way you want it. I like it just like this. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to switch to our marker and we're going to add the details. Let's give our hot dog a nice cold lemonade. We're going to draw a cup right here and we'll overlap the bun. So let's draw 2 lines. I'm going to draw them kind of far apart. There we go. And this is the sides of the cup. We can draw the bottom of the cup and the top. Let's also give our drink a little lid. And you could change this. You could give your hot dog something else, maybe a beach ball, or, oh, we should give our hot dog some sunglasses. Let's draw the arm coming around and holding on to our lemonade. Oh, and a straw. We'll draw a really skinny rectangle shape coming out of the top of our drink. Okay, now let's draw sunglasses. Let's draw them right here. We're going to draw 2 letter U's. We're going to draw them kind of above the eyes. Sometimes you put your sunglasses on top of your head when you're inside. So let's draw the top of the lenses. You could draw these on your hot dog too. That would be really cool. And let's draw the frames. We're going to trace around the shape of the lenses. And in between we'll go up, curve back down, and then around. And I'm also adding a little bump on the side for the part that goes over your ears. And we'll connect to the other side. Let's color in the lenses solid black. Next, let's give our hot dog some shorts. We're gonna draw the top of the swim shorts and then the sides coming down. And you could dress up your hot dog any way you want. Let's draw an upside down letter V here and we'll connect the bottom of the shorts. And let's also give our hot dog legs. I'm gonna draw 2 short lines coming out of each leg. And then the inside line, let's draw it a bit longer for the heel. And then we can draw the toes or the feet coming around and connecting to the heel. And we'll match on the other side. Yeah, there we go. Our hot dog has shorts now. Next, let's draw a face on our hot dog. I'm going to draw mine really happy. We're going to draw open, so curve. And then we'll draw a bigger letter U for the mouth and tongue and color in the top shape. It kind of looks like he's wearing the sunglasses, but I'm going to draw eyes right here. So the sunglasses are on top of his head. We're going to draw little highlight inside to show a reflection so that they look shiny, and maybe even some eyebrows. Okay, next let's go over all of the pencil lines, but we want to make sure that we don't draw through some of the shapes that we've already added, the extra details. So we don't want to draw through the glass or the shorts or the sunglasses. So I'm going to trace over the pencil going around the top of the hot dog, then the sides of our hot dog coming down to the shorts. And then also, the buns. Let's draw the left hot dog bun curving around and into the shorts, and then the right side, and we'll skip the cup. We're gonna go through and out the bottom. Okay, and then also let's draw one arm hanging down right here for, this one's not hanging on to anything. We did it. We drew our summer hot dog, except now we need to color it. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings and even add more things. Oh, and one last thing, be sure to use an eraser before you color to erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. I'm all finished coloring my summer hot dog. I really hope you'll color your drawings too. They look so much better all colored in. You can even add a background. Maybe your hot dog is getting ready to surf at the beach, or maybe it's just chilling at the pool. I also added a funny face to my lemonade. I added some mustard to his belly and also flowers to his shorts. But you can add whatever you want. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and I hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.